Ninja Air Fry Oven shuts off mid-cook? Fix it fast. If your Ninja Air Fry Oven suddenly cuts out during a cycle, here's how to stop it from happening again. Step 1. Secure power at the wall. Plug the oven directly into a wall outlet. No extension cords or power strips. Make sure the plug is fully seated and not wiggling, and try a different outlet on a separate circuit if the outlet feels loose or trips. Step 2. Clear ventilation to prevent thermal shutoff. Unplug and let the oven cool. Brush dust and grease from the rear and bottom vents so hot air can escape freely. I use a soft vent cleaning brush that's gentle on the mesh and clears packed crumbs. I've linked it below. Step 3. Remove foil and fix accessory placement. Never cover the crumb tray or any part of the oven interior with foil. Foil reflects heat back toward the elements and sensors, which can cause the oven to overheat and shut down as a safety precaution. It can also block airflow needed for even cooking. Keep the crumb tray in place under the bottom element, and make sure pans or food aren't touching the heating elements. Step 4. Give it space and check cord routing. Set the oven on a level, heat-safe surface with open space on all sides. Don't tuck it tight under cabinets. Route the power cord so it isn't pulled taut or pinched when the oven is down for cooking. Step 5. Empty oven test. Run a short bake, about 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, with no food or pans inside. If it stays on, the shutdown was likely caused by blocked airflow, foil, or a heavy load. If it still cuts out, move to the next step. Step 6. Mode temperature check. Try a different heat mode. For example, air roast instead of air broil, at a moderate temperature. Consistent shutdowns across modes point to an internal fault rather than a single setting. Persistent mid-cook shutdowns after these steps indicate an internal issue, such as a thermal cutoff, sensor, or control fault. Contact Ninja support using the link in the description before using the oven again. Got it running steady again? Subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a soft vent brush for safely cleaning those vents, I've linked the one I used below. Thanks for watching.